You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey guys, the mystery box is out. The June mystery box 2018, but this is a digital mystery box. That means they're not gonna sell out instantly. Once you purchase, you instantly get it all right away. You can start doing projects in the next 5 minutes. Because it's a digital mystery box, you can't use my code, but if you have premium access, you'll get 50% off. This mystery box contains 6 different image sets. 3 of them are licensed from Goody, Lori Whitlock, Alexis Maddox. You guys, these are amazing. You get a total of 129 images for $34.99. Yeah, $34.99, no shipping. Yeah, you have to get this now in the digital mystery box. If you wait, then it's going to cost much more. You won't be able to get all 129 images at a price like this ever again. All right, let me show you the images. Okay, here's the 3D alphabet by Lori Whitlock. I am so excited for this. I wanted to make you one, but then I thought, oh, I want to use my scoring wheel. So I have to wait till Design Space updates the scoring wheel. You can do it with acetate and with craft board and poster board. You can make these. They are so awesome. You can spell out any word you want. It has the entire alphabet. You can use any paper you want. It has the numbers. Isn't this exciting? Like, I want to say create. I want to do my name. Aren't these fun? Now, if you're ready to purchase right now, make sure you go into the description of the video. This is an older video, but it will have this in the description. You may need to click on show more. I do get a small commission, but only when you click this link. It will take you to Cricut.com to purchase the mystery box. It's nothing there yet, but there will be when you're watching this video. Okay, next we have Goody flower bouquet. Now these are beautiful and they have writing on them. So they write and cut out each flower. You can make them print if you want to. You can flatten them and make them print, or write and cut. And I made a card for these, so I'm going to show you the card I made using these images. But that's not all. You also get 9 patterns. Here are the patterns you get. So you get, this is one pattern with all these different colors. And then these, there's 9 of them. Aren't they awesome? Look at that. Look, they are so cool. So here's one that you can make it. I just made these squares and set them to print, and that's how you find the patterns. And then I did this one with this pattern down here. Aren't they pretty? You can change any part of your image to print and add a pattern. And then we have Alex Maddox. These are Emma Ray phrases and sentiments. I love the look of this. This is writing, so they come in writing and cut out. So you can cut them out of vinyl, you can cut them out of paper. Hello. Wouldn't this be pretty? Just cut out a vinyl and put on your front door. I love us, hooray, love, joy, you did it. These would be great to put inside a card, Christmas cards. Amazing, you did it. Happy birthday. So you can cut it out of vinyl, or you can have it right. There's the joy. This would be great to put on a shirt for Valentine's Day. Isn't that awesome? Okay, and then we have Felix phrases and sentiments. You are super duper, just saying. So this would be great inside a card. Could you not? Enjoy the little things is awesome. You can put that on iron-on or make a sign for your house. Cut it out of vinyl and put it on your bathroom mirror. Thank you very much. You can make a card. No drama llama. Trust me, I'm a unicorn. How cute is that? I'm yours and you're mine. That's cute. Happy birthday. Hello in different languages. And look at this. This writes all of this. This is a writing image. So it writes the blue lines, it writes the red lines, it writes the outside, it writes the PS I love you. Isn't that cute? And then Agent Q, phrases and sentiments. Agent Q has a really cool font that I recently just found in Design Space. It's like this font. It's a writing font. Sorry, your day has been so crappy. Isn't that cute? I love these. These are writing. This is so cute. Hug dealer. Working for the weekend. These would be great shirts. I love this one. Serious fun. I'm still not sick of you. That's nice. You had me at tacos. You look good today. Happy birthday, like a boss. Awesome. Stay weird. So these are a lot of fun. You can easily make a card with these. You are one in a million. And then last but not least, we have Felicity, phrases and sentiments. That is really pretty for a thank you card. Happy birthday. I want to sleep. Mermaid hair, don't care. I love you so. Congratulations. Stop and smell the roses. Happy holidays. That's pretty. Home sweet home and welcome. These are awesome. So you can only get these in the mystery box right now. Okay, now that you've purchased the mystery box, to find the cartridges, you can just click on cartridges and say go to Jen Goody and search. Here's the one that was in the mystery box. And then you can just add them to your project. If you don't want to cut out all these pieces, you can, while it's still grouped together, just flatten it. And you can print it just like that. Or you can go back and change the color of any of these. Like if you don't want red on there, you can change it to green. Let's do the sour apple. We don't want red on our leaves. Let's change them to green. Now we can just select it and flatten. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this card I made. Can you see where it wrote on there with glitter pen? So this is the top of the card. I paper pieced it and it wrote on there, and then I had it write the inside. It says happiness blooms from within. I thought this was so cute. Jen Goody made these. She made these flowers. These are actually cut flowers. Well, what I did is I hid all the cut lines and just had it right. And happiness blooms from within was set differently, and I just ungrouped it and moved the words where I wanted them. And it's all done with these new glitter gel pens. These are the brights, and then this one came from the basic set. But these are gel pens with glitter. They're awesome. They have glitter on the tips. And I also want to share the best way to store the pens are upside down. So the point is down. This way, gravity gets all of the ink down to where the point is. These are 0.8 tip. And so I just wanted to share that because this cartridge has so many writing, images, and fonts. This mystery box has a lot of writing, and it's so much fun to use the writing. And I'm thinking any card you can put a flower on. I could have taken these, taken out the cut files, and just had them written. You could just add a flower. You could add the flower to the top part. You can add it to any card. Cricut makes it so easy to do this. So this file, I did alter the images a little bit. I rearranged them and altered them just a little bit. As a perk to the people who support my channel on Patreon, I share all my Cricut Design Space files. So I'm going to share this file with them too. But in order to use it, you do have to buy the mystery box, or you can't cut the images, or you have to wait until these images are available for purchase. As soon as you buy the mystery box, you will be able to cut this and write it. As soon as you purchase it, you just go to Design Space. You might want to log out and log back in, and your images are there to use right away. And remember, if you have premium access, you get 50% off. That's an incredible deal for all 6 of these image sets. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.